Hi lovelies, you're welcome back. Quickly today, I just want to drop this opportunity for anyone that is willing to relocate to this small town in Alberta called Fox Creek, and you are interested to work in this small town as a cleaner, housekeeper. You just have to act fast before a lot of people get to see this opportunity and before this position gets filled. So I'm going to drop for you the necessary things to do, how to apply, and what you need to apply, and what to do after you must have gotten this job offer in order for you to apply for your provincial nomination and get your permanent residency and be able to move with your family to this town in Alberta. If you are one of my subscribers on this channel, please turn on your bell notification, because once I see these opportunities, before a lot of other people get to see it, I would like members to take advantage of this opportunity first. And before this position gets filled, I'll be grateful if any of my subscriber is able to get this job offer. So if you don't have your CV in a Canadian standard, I made a video on how to do that. Please, I'll drop the link on the video description. Check and quickly build your CV, download it for free on the job bank, and send your application to this employer as fast as you can before it gets filled up. This community is called Fox Creek. It is located in Alberta, and we are currently on their website. It says empowering local business to recruit and retain qualified, skilled foreign nationals to live, work, and settle in our community. So if you are outside Canada, you can apply. They are seeking to fill labor shortages. So as this is a secret for you, you just have to marry yourself to all these communities that I'm showing you, because they will post job and they will not announce to you that they want to post jobs. So once they post jobs like that, if you are fortunate enough to check their website and be one of the first few to apply, in no time you will be able to land that job that will bring you to Canada. Just have to be on the lookout. Like this community just posted this job too, and I want to tell you that a lot of people might not have seen this job posting. If you wish to live and work in the town of Fox Creek, you must meet a series of criteria. So this is the criteria for you to get your permanent residency in this town. So you must receive a bona fide job offer from an eligible employer. So I'm going to show you that job you apply to. I just want to take you through this. Once you get your job offer, then you send your application via the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program. Like if you need to make more inquiries about this program, this is the number you can call. You can call them and make further inquiries, especially if you are able to get your job offer. You can call them and they are going to direct you on what to do. The hotline they just dropped, you can see new, an AAIP phone line that connects individual with an AAIP staff member is now available. Staff will respond to your program inquiries and provide clarity on processes. This line offers an additional option to contact the AAIP, complementing the existing comprehensive suite of AAIP information and contact forms available online. So you can also reach out to them via email, or you can call them directly, especially once you have received your job offer and you need clarification on how to go about your applications. So let me show you the job offer quickly. You can see that all this position has been filled. Position filled. This one was advertised December 2023 and it has been filled. You can see all these positions has been filled, but this is the one I want you to apply to. Is still very old. It was posted just yesterday, guys. That's why I said you should turn on your bell notification, because these jobs that are highly competitive, a lot of people are looking for it, although I've not seen anyone made a video on this. So you just have to be fast with it. Send your application if you are interested in this job. Now let's look at the requirement together. So this position is for an housekeeper or a room attendant in Folks Creek. So you want to click here to apply. It takes you to Indeed to apply. So I'm going to drop this link to apply on the video description. So this is the organization recruiting Reach In and Suit. And these are the duties you are expected to performing a variety of cleaning activities such as sweeping, mopping, dusting, polishing, ensuring all rooms are cared for and inspected according to standards, protecting equipment and making sure there are no inadequacies. So those are your responsibility. They said we are looking for a professional housekeeper able of attending to our facilities and integrity and attention to detail. The goal is to create a clean and orderly environment for our guests that will become a critical factor in maintaining and strengthening our reputation. So these are your responsibilities to perform, and these are the requirements: proven experience as a cleaner or housekeeper, ability to work with little supervision and maintain a high level of performance, customer oriented and friendly, prioritization and time management skills, working quickly without compromising quality, knowledge of English language, high school degree. So all you need is your high school diploma, and you work Monday to Friday, 8-hour shift and weekends as needed. So you just click on apply and add your resume and click on it, and then you click on continue. Enter a past job that shows relevant experience. So you click on it, review your application, and if you're satisfied with it, you submit your application. I don't want to click on the submit button because I'm not interested in this job. So you want to quickly on your system right now, send your CV. All you need to do, just send your CV to them. Wish you the best of luck. See you in my next video.